With the extreme cold sticking around for many days, here is a cautionary tale about the dangers of portable heaters, an explosion at a tiny home in the Triad. I'm WFMY News 2's Julie Luck. Thankfully, the resident was not seriously hurt, but this is a look at the damage to the High Point home. You can see a blown out window, damage to the entry, and the bathroom is a mess with cracks in the wall. The tiny home community does not allow portable propane heaters inside their units. The development wants you to learn from this situation. Their quote, "We urge caution if portable heaters must be used indoors as they pose a significant safety risk despite manufacturer claims." Experts say to keep a heater 3 feet away from flammable items. The impacted resident, who is diagnosed with cancer, is now staying in another vacant unit on the property.